Hello, this is Wendy Lee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a coffee table with an old tile. First of all, you should wash and clean the tile and let it dry. Soon after it dries, you can put on colors with acrylic paint. You can see after painting the first layer, there are still some black veins between it. So the second layer should cover all the veins. Now we use a wood board to cover the bottom. The wood board size depends on how big is your tire. Here my wood board is 60 centimeters in diameter. And I use a glue gun to stick it to the bottom. Then we use a marker to mark out where the table legs are gonna be. I bought 4 table legs online and they come with accessories, so I don't have to worry about which kind of screws they need. Now start using electric drill to fix all the table legs on the wood board. Finally, I use a 5mm drill and 3 screws to fix the wood board on the tire. And now we can put on a smaller wood board on top and see the final product. It is super easy to make a coffee table and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please try it yourself someday.